Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website Patel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 6th Social Science chapter 3 in the history in the earliest cities. The first question of the textbook is, how do archaeologists know that cloth was used in the Harappan civilization? According to archaeologists, cotton was probably grown in Mehergarh about 7,000 years ago. Actual pieces of cloth were found attached to the lid of a silver vase and some copper objects at Mohenjo-daro. Archaeologists have also found spindle wools made up of terracotta and faience. These were used to spin thread. We also have indirect evidence to show how cloth was decorated. For example, a stone statue of an important man found at Mohenjo-daro shows him wearing an embroidered garment. Second question, match the columns. So first is copper, gold, tin, precious stone. Gujarat, Afghanistan, Rajasthan, Karnataka. So right answers are copper, Rajasthan, gold, Karnataka, tin, Afghanistan, precious stone, Gujarat. Third, why were metals, writings, the wheels and the plough important for Harappa? Metals. The metals made copper tools. They also made ornaments of gold and silver. Writing. Writing was very important for the Harappans. There were scribes, people who knew how to write. Scribes helped people prepare the seals and perhaps wrote on other materials that have not survived. Wheel. The Harappans used the wheel in carts. They also used the wheel in spinning. The wheel was used by potters to make or shape pots and other things. Plough was used to prepare the land for farming by Harappans. Let's discuss. Fourth question. Make a list of all the terracotta toys shown in the lesson. Which do you think children would have enjoyed playing with the most? So this is toy cart, a toy plough, a terracotta toys. Make a list of what the Harappas ate and put a tick mark against the things you ate today. So food items eaten by the Harappans: wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame, linseed, mustard, fruits. Depending upon where you live and with the help of your teacher, select the food items eaten by you. Sixth question. Do you think that the life of farmers and herders who supplied food to the Harappan cities was different from that of the farmers and herders who read about in the chapter 3? Give reason for your answer. Yes, I think that the life of farmers and herders who supplied food to the Harappan cities was different from that of the farmers and herders I read about in the last chapter. I can give the following reason for my answer. We know from remains of plants and bones of animals that the contemporary farmers and herders of the Harappans grew more cereals and collected many types of fruits and other things. They grew wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame, linseed, and mustard. A new tool, the plough, was used to dig the earth for turning the soil and sowing seeds by the farmers of the Harappan times, while real plough, were, which were probably made up of wood, have not survived. Toy models have been found. As the Harappans regions did not receive heavy rainfall, some form of irrigation might have been used. This means that water was stored and supplied to the fields when the plants were growing. The Harappans reared cattle, sheep, goat, and buffalo. Water and pastures were available around settlements. However, in the dry summer months, large herds of animals were probably taken to greater distance in search of food, water, and grass by the farmers and herders mentioned in the last chapter. But the Harappans age people also collected fruits like hare, caught fish, and hunted wild animals like the antelope pole. The farmers and herders of the Indus Valley had relations with better or more civilized people who had better houses, roads, drain system, knowledge of writing, and cities. The farmers and herders of the last chapter did not know the use of metals. Let's do. Describe three important buildings in your city or village. Are they located in a special part of the settlements? What are the activities that take place in these buildings? So, in your city, the following three important buildings are located: Community Hall or Gram Panchayat Bhavan or Municipal Community Bhavan, school building, hospital, temple or mosque or church or gurudwara. The following activities takes place in this building respectively: Community Hall, marriage parties or public functions; Gram Panchayat Bhavan, in this Bhavan building, Panchayat holds its meeting and discusses our village problems; Municipal Community Bhavan, in this Bhavan, city's elected members meet under a chairman and discuss problems of the city. School building, in this building, education is provided to boys and girls of our village or city. Hospital, where ill people or patients come and consult doctors, compounders, or nurses as per the disease or requirements. Temple or mosque or church or gurudwara. People come and participate in prayer or namaz according to their own religions and faith. 8th question. Are there any old buildings in your locality? Find out how old they are and how look after them. Who looks after them? Yes, there are some buildings in our locality. These buildings are looked after by a government department, and the name of this department is the Archaeological Survey of India. So this was chapter 3 of standard 6th social science. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.